Anytime now. And the race is on. Perfectionist fast to begin. Daman Surya. Pure Joy rushing up by the Ralis Tempress. Alongside is Comitatus by the row. It's now Pure Joy followed by Tempress in second. Perfectionist Comitatus is racing for Poppy's Diamond rushing up. And by the Ralis entry number 3. And this one is Erica's Chum. And out of our turn, Pure Joy by about 2 lengths, followed by entry number 1, Tempress alongside is Perfectionist. And here comes Comitatus. Poppy's Diamond is racing in P by draw. And out of our turn, Pure Joy, Comitatus on the outside, Perfectionist. And by the rest, Tempress as they race the ball corner. Comitatus, Perfectionist down on the inside is Tempress as they race the last 200. Comitatus while the rider Jesse Basilio Guse with tight range over Perfectionist in second. Tempress down on the inside and nearing the finish line, Comitatus. And finally, number 8, Comitatus. Perfectionist, Pag-asa. Number 2, El Bimbo and Tempress for your Pentafecta.